I'm attorney Laura Anthony, founding partner of Legal and Compliance, a full-service corporate securities and business transactions law firm. Today is the second segment in a multi-part securities law cast discussing OTC markets and in particular the different quotation levels and listing criteria for each level. In the last segment, I spoke about OTCQX listing criteria for U.S. issuers. In this segment, I will discuss OTCQX listing qualifications for international issuers. The OTCQX has two tiers of quotation for international companies, OTCQX International and OTCQX International Premier. Quotation is also available for American Depository Receipts, ADRs, or companies that trade on a qualifying foreign stock exchange, and an expedited application process is available for these international companies. Issuers on the OTCQX must meet specified qualitative and quantitative eligibility requirements. Here is a brief overview of the standards for the OTCQX International. To be eligible to be quoted on OTCQX International, companies must have $2 million in total assets as of the most recent annual or quarter end, have at least one of the following: $2 million in revenues, $1 million in net tangible assets, $500,000 in net income, or $5 million in global market capitalization, and that is all in US dollars. They cannot be a penny stock. They must already be quoted on the OTC Markets or must file a 15C211 application to begin quotation. They cannot be in bankruptcy or reorganization proceedings. They either must be subject to the reporting requirements of the Exchange Act or qualify for blue sky qualification through the manual's exemption. They must have their securities listed on a qualifying foreign stock exchange, although the company can seek an exemption or waiver from this provision. And again, they must either be subject to the U.S. SEC reporting requirements and current in those reporting obligations, or be exempted from reporting under Exchange Act Rule 12G 3-2B. And I've written several blogs that describe in detail what that exemption entails. To be eligible to be quoted on the OTCQX International Premier, companies must first satisfy all of the requirements for the regular OTCQX International that I just described, and they must have, as of the most recent fiscal year end, revenue of $100 million, global market capitalization of $500 million, aggregate cash flow for the 3 preceding years of $100 million, minimum cash flow in each of the 2 preceding years of $25 million, or have revenue of $75 million and a global market capitalization of $750 million. All international companies that are quoted on the OTCQX must have either an attorney or investment banker, principal American liaison, or PAL, who must write an introductory letter on behalf of the company. In the next securities law cast in this series, I will discuss the application process for both U.S. and international issuers, ongoing listing requirements, removal or termination of listing, and fees. I'm securities attorney Laura Anthony, founding partner of Legal and Compliance. Should you have questions about today's topic, please visit securitieslawblog.com or contact me directly. Inquiries of a technical nature are always encouraged.